Greetings again, beings of light. Thank you for spreading your light and your love in your own special ways in this special realm you have chosen to explore. Now, our focus is more to allow you to have a more fulfilling and joyous and loving experience in your days. And if you could take a sneak peek at the future, what would you hope to see? Think on that for a moment. And we wish for you to understand that as you think of those things, those improvements, that world you would like to live in or that you see, to envision it as the most loving environment that you are capable of. For indeed, with that thought, holding that frequency of love, you are bringing it forth. It may not appear in the guises which you have brought on or expect, and it may be somewhat muted by conflicting beliefs or your staunch identity with your physical world, but staying in that moment and seeing that desired future that you personally would like to have, not only for yourself, but for other beings as well. For it is indeed all possible because each thought is creative. Everything which you think of manifests in some world. So when you concentrate on those worlds, your future, which are loving and unified, where there is no lack, where fear has no place, where fulfillment and joy is the rule of the land. You create that realm. You create that heaven which you have envisioned. And once you have removed yourself or transitioned into spirit, which is just another form of you and nothing to fear, you may even find yourself visiting such realms. But our focus is helping you generate that loving vibration from those visions, from the world you wish to create. For by focusing on that, you energize all in your existence. You can help bring about those changes just by thinking upon them. Do not think that you are powerless, for the exact opposite is true. You are immeasurably powerful. You have just forgotten how strong you are, or you would utilize it all the time. Now, when you go into those moments, see those relationships, how individuals interact. Let your mind play with it somewhat. See what visions come to you in your perfect world. Imagine yourself walking in it and the encounters you may have. This is a manifestation tool which is taught by many in your realm, but The feeling which goes along with it is vitally important, for it is one of those design mechanisms for manifestation, for realization as physical in your realm. So we urge you to stay in that mindset, which will help you release energies and stress and other forms of vibration which do not serve you in your higher form you are creating. And know that we will be there with you no matter what world you create, urging you to help yourself and the rest of humanity and your globe and all on it, in it, and around it to lead a more fulfilling life as well. And we welcome you to the paradise of your mind. Please go there often, and we will meet you there.